Yes, morning, my people. I'm going to repair this and put on a fresh piece of shoe bottom, a soling onto this because if you really look at it, it's already terrible looking bad. So I'm going to take it off and put it on a fresh piece. So yes, if you notice, the soling has already damaged because the toe has a big hole. So the entire bottom of the shoe already demolished. So the soling gone. So I'm going to put on a fresh. I'm going to put on a fresh piece onto this like that. So I'm going to put on the new soling onto this. So when I finish, you will see the finished product. So I put on the soling now. So I'm going to run some stitches and you will see the finished product. So yes, my peeps, running some stitches so you can hold the sole onto the shoe. So running some stitches going around. So yes guys, this is the finished product. You know, just stitch it right around. Stitch it right around. So after this now, after I stick the sole in, I'm going to put on the body onto this. So you will see the product, the finished product. Yeah. Yes again guys. It's my peep. So I show you in a video that I stitch go wrong. I put it on the soles. So I put it on the sole already. I'm going to put on the bottom, a new bottom on this. So I will show you the process as it goes. So yes my peeps, I'm going to put on the lift for the back. So one piece over there, one piece over there. So I'm going to glue it show you now. So I already stick it around. So I will be trimming. I cut it around. So I'm gonna show you like what I mean. I began to like cut it around like this, so you can get it to trim. So you will see the finished product when I sand it down and everything. Guys, yes peep, this is the finished product of the shoe that I repaired the clocks. So I'm going to give you a view of it so you can take a look. So you need a clocks to repair? Check me. You will not regret it. Thank you for your support and God bless you.